Hey buddies, what's up? So in this episode we get the interior back together. The engine is pretty much done right now. We're getting the interior together, and the good thing about it is the owner before me has already done the worst part. So the car had I think a bright leather interior or something like that, and he pulled all that bad stuff out already and he got us a nice black leather interior in really nice condition, and yeah, he put the carpet out and everything already, so I don't have to bring anything to the trash. I just have to get the black carpet and all the parts back in the car, and then we should have a nice interior in a car like that. And what else we are doing is, so we are installing a boost gouge. So I got it here. There's a holder and a gouge is sitting right in here to keep a track of our boost what we are creating with the big turbo. And what I also want to do, or I try to do it, I still have to think about it. I want to mount the boost controller next to it, so I can control the boost from the interior. And so yeah, I would say I start the interior work now, get it together, then I get a tag for it, and we have to get new tires. There's one of the tires was supposed to go on the front left side, and this tire had a little bubble. Take a look at this tire. Oh my god. Whew. I hope you can see it in camera. But yeah, here's a little bubble. So yeah, we get some tires anyways because we burn them up, probably. And that's alright because that's fun. So I would say we get the interior back together, and then we see us in a minute. For you it's only a minute, for me it's probably a few days. Whatever. See you buddies. Alright fellas, right now we are at a used tire shop to get us a set of new tires. Paid $180 for it. I just got back from the bank to get some cash to pay the good guy, and yeah, let's see how it works. So these are all the old tires and they're totally gone. That's so bad, oh my god. Yep, it was time for new tires. We're at the muffler shop right now. And we come with the exhaust right from the turbocharger, from the outlet, out there, back here where the original goes. So I get the original O2 sensor back in that housing here. And then we're going all the way back here with the exhaust and coming out right here at the tire. And I got that dip. That dip sits right here. And yeah, that's it. So he's doing the last steps at the Jetta. It's that shop, Steve's Muffler Shop. One of the best muffler shops around here. Paid only $200 for the whole system. And right there is that air thing. I like that thing. Alright buddy, so the exhaust system is done and I got the new tires on there. I know that is actually the first time that we really drive the car. And let's see, we start it up. Oh yeah, that's loud. First we test if it can two-step. Yeah, we can do that, that's good. And now we drive and see how it handles. The suspension of the car is totally trash. It's really hard to control it partly. And when you hit it in the first or second gear and the tires want to spin, but the tires are like bouncing. But all in all, upside of the road, and then we want to see how much boost we are creating right now. So the boost controller is all the way close, so let's see. Okay, that's pretty much 10 pounds of boost. So it's 10 pounds of boost, so we turn it off a little bit. So we turn it one time around. So that's when we're going on the straight, we are testing it again. So that are like 14 pounds of boost. Running good, and yeah, I think we can do more boost. We have to figure out how we're going with the wastegate and the system, and yeah, also we're going in a little car pump right here, and see you in the next video.
Spread your wings and fly, go!